Hello friends, welcome to Queen Bee Paradise. Today's video is another episode on how to organize a small cupboard efficiently. In many homes, the person who gets the minimal cupboard space is a man in the home. In my home, my husband keeps complaining that he has got the tiniest cupboard space in the home. So to resolve this issue, I have reorganized my husband's cupboard in a better way and he liked it. So let us see how to extract maximum space from a small cupboard. Before getting started, please subscribe Queen Bee Paradise and hit the bell so you won't miss any new videos from this channel. My husband's cupboard has only 3 shelves and a drawer. The lower portion is a bigger drawer to store all the important documents and files at home. In case if you are interested to know how to segregate and file all the documents at home, leave a comment. I shall post a separate video on the same. The topmost shelf has some rarely used stuffs which we will take a look later. The middle shelf has all the frequently used clothes that he wears to office. As he follows dress code at office, he has a lot of formal shirts and pants. I have used a foldable wire shelf to utilize the vertical space efficiently. I bought this wire shelf from Amazon for 199 rupees. I have left the link of this product in the description box. Please do check it out if interested. My husband usually picks the shirt which is at the top of the stack. So the ones that are kept at the bottom remains untouched. So now I have stacked it in a way that he will have 4 choices to pick from every time, so that clothes can be regulated well. Top of the rack has all the full-sleeved formal shirts and the half-sleeved shirts are kept at the bottom. As we get all the shirts ironed, it is very easy to just fold like this and stack it. On this side, all the formal pants are stacked. This setup is easy to pick and choose one. I have not organized the clothes as per their color code as I feel it is very difficult to maintain it that way. When the fresh set of ironed clothes comes in, I just stack it on top without disturbing the other clothes. In the space left, I have kept his perfume and a box to keep his valuables like rings, etc. At the bottom shelf, I've arranged his inner garments and all the casual wear dresses that he wears at home. I had these carton boxes with me which looks uniform and nice, so I've used them as organizers here. I didn't want to wrap them with cloth as a blue color looks nice by itself. I have just wrapped them using thick transparent tapes to make the boxes strong. In this rightmost box, I've arranged all his casual t-shirts in file system. In the middle box, all the shorts and track pants are kept. In this box, all the inner garments are neatly rolled and organized. Still, there is some space left at the back side which can be used to store the new and extra clothes. Now, let's take a look at the topmost shelf. Again, I've used a foldable wire shelf to maximize the space here. On the top of the rack, I've kept the traditional wears like dhoti, shirts and kurtas which he uses occasionally. At the bottom, I've kept his jeans pants and t-shirts. In this box, I've stored some rarely used items like swimsuits and swimming accessories on one side, thermal wears and caps on the other side which he uses only when he goes on official travels to cold countries. Coming to the drawer space, I've used carton boxes wrapped with tape as drawer dividers here. On this side, I've kept all his socks neatly rolled like this. In case if you do not have enough space to roll and arrange the socks, you can just flip them together like this and store it in a bag. So when we randomly pick one, it comes out as a pair. In this space, I've kept all the kerchiefs neatly folded. I've placed a small cup here to drop the extra coins. In this box, I've kept all his watches, wallet, earphones, power bank, bills and checkbooks, and his tab. As my husband travels a lot, he keeps his travel pouch ready with few travel essentials like shaving kit, dental kit, shampoo, soap, etc. Apart from these items, he has few business suits and coats as well, which he hardly wears. Those are hung in a linen closet, which I'll be showing in a different video. In order to utilize the door space efficiently, I have used this over-the-door multi-hook hanger. This can just be placed on the top of the door like this. This fits well on most of the cupboard doors and it allows to close the doors without any problem. His belts and ties are hung here for easy access. That's it. So a very small closet can also be organized efficiently with simple organizers like the ones I showed in this video. Hope you liked the video and found it useful. If you had liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and share the video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.